channel. My name is Sky.
Hi, welcome to channel. My BASTY.
Here's Basti. Today we're gonna bake cookies.
For baking cookies,
First, you have to wash your hands. Come on, let's wash your hands. You have to stand. You have to stand in the line. Before the roll you sleep, that you have to wash your hands. We already washed our hands. Let's get started. You're done. What? That's it. You need more. Here. Need more. Oopsies.
You already started some.
Uh-oh. We're gonna roll it like a ball. I'm gonna put it in my hand and we're gonna roll it like a ball. Like this one. And we're gonna do like this. We're gonna tap it. And look at my hand. Nah! And we're gonna put it in the tray and start it again.
Basti, let me see yours. Okay, put it down.
Ah.
chocolate chip.
I need more. We're gonna roll it like a dough again. We're gonna put it in our hand and we're gonna roll it like a dough again. Ah! And again, we're gonna and the same thing like this. And there's chocolate chips on it.
No!
It just jump out. It just jump out. Kids, do you know this cookie dough just jump out? We're gonna fill this up and we're gonna make enough cookies for me and Basti and after and we're gonna put it in the oven for 10 minutes.
10 minutes.
This is the last cookie. Roll it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And look at those. And them all. And we're filling up. And we're done with cookies. And we're gonna put it in the oven. We're ready to put it in the oven. Come on, let's go. Excuse me.
Yeah.
You're gonna take out the tray, okay?
Basti, open the oven. Open.
And you're gonna take out the tray also.
Be careful, it's hot. Push it in.
Touch tray.
Okay. Close it.
We're gonna wait 15 minutes for the cookies to bake. Cookies are almost done.
10 seconds.
10 seconds.
4, 3.
2, 1. And to get the cookies. Come on.
Be careful. Let me see.
Wow.
Oh.
Cookies are done. Mommy,
Yes.
let's get the cookies.
Wow, looks so good. Yummy.
Let's bring the cookies on the table. Come on, let's go. Let's go. The cookies are hot, but they look yummy. Yummy. Do we have to put all of them?
Yes, put up all of them.
What? You have to put all of them? What? I think you tell me you're funny. Yeah. Wow! And to taste the cookies. This one for you.
Oh, thank you.
It's yummy. Yummy to my tummy. Please like and subscribe. Yay! Bye! Yay! We can have a cookie. Yum, 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 yum.